Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID email or phone number. That's the handle Apple needs. Once done, locate a trusted device or the recovery phone number tied to the account because Apple often sends verification there. Make sure you know the device unlock passcode. It's frequently required to approve password changes. If you have a recovery key, keep it handy. Starting with these essentials speeds verification and prevents interruptions later in the reset flow. You'll now choose a reset path. On an iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security and select Change Password. That uses your device passcode to authenticate. Alternatively, go to iForget. Apple. Calm and enter the Apple ID. Follow verification prompts sent to your trusted devices or phone number. If prompted for a recovery key or account recovery, provide the recovery key or start account recovery. This is slower but necessary when trusted devices aren't available. Keep patient and follow each prompt carefully. Complete the process by creating a strong, unique password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so it's hard to guess. Once changed, make sure you sign in on all your Apple devices and update third-party services using that Apple ID. Enable two-factor authentication if not already on, and keep your recovery key safe. If verification fails or you lack trusted access, start the account recovery process and monitor the email Apple uses for updates. This resolves tougher lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.